The 1982 Seville continues its tradition of unique individual styling combined with high levels of standard equipment features in a truly fine automobile that is designed to meet the demands of exacting personal tastes. The ultimate Seville statement is embodied in the dramatic and unique Elegante package, an available option that brings together some of Seville's most desirable appearance, convenience, and performance features. Seville Elegante for 1982 is truly an outstanding automobile that can include almost every feature a demanding Cadillac owner could desire. The front-end appearance, as refined and distinguished as it is, does not reveal the strong features to be found beneath, such as front-wheel drive, power-assisted steering, and new low-drag power front disc brakes that make a major contribution to fuel economy by reducing drag when the brakes are not in use. Tungsten halogen high beam headlamps deliver increased illumination for nighttime visibility. The standard Twilight Sentinel turns the headlamps on when it gets dark or off after an adjustable time interval. Bumper rub strips are now black with white center stripe for functional protection with more dramatic contrast. Front fender structural changes help deliver a soft ride with the high-pressure, low-rolling resistance tires. Refined tuning of the four-wheel independent suspension softens the 1982 Seville ride. Softer suspension springs, new shock absorber valving, all-new body mount tuning, and redesigned front control arm bushings provide softer impacts and improved isolation from road noise and shock. The new standard power plant is an all-new design 4.1-liter digitally fuel-injected 90-degree V8 with a 4-speed automatic overdrive transmission. This standard engine is smaller and lighter than last year's standard V8 with new engine mounts that are optimized for noise isolation, idle quality, and overall vehicle structure. This vehicle is equipped with the available 5.7-liter V8 diesel engine with 3-speed automatic transmission. A 4.1-liter V6 engine with 4-speed automatic overdrive transmission is also available. In addition to the traditional fuel economy and driving range benefits, the diesel engine includes a fuel line heater that turns on automatically when underhood temperature is 20 degrees Fahrenheit or less to help prevent engine stalling due to wax formation in the fuel line at low temperatures. This underhood sound absorber, originally standard only with the diesel engine, is now standard with the 4.1-liter 90-degree V8 DFI engine, providing improved isolation of high-frequency engine noise from the passenger compartment. Seville has been given extensive anti-corrosion protection in a number of areas to help preserve its life and beauty. Elegante offers 3 two-tone exterior paint combination choices this year, 2 of which are new. The base Seville makes available 7 two-tone combinations, 5 of which are new. The standard wheel cover for Seville is this wire wheel cover. A cast aluminum wheel with brushed chrome hubcap is available as an option. Right and left remote-controlled outside rear-view mirrors are standard on all Sevilles. Seville's rear design provides this car with an appearance that is exclusive and unique in the Cadillac family. It is unmistakably Seville. Underneath, there is the newly tuned fully independent rear suspension with softer springs and new shock absorber valving. Electronic level control continues to be standard equipment. A fuel filler door that incorporates a new gas cap holder and hold-open design is standard. This vehicle is also equipped with the available fuel filler door lock that is activated with the door lock controls or with the manual override located in the trunk. The Seville trunk has usable luggage capacity of 14.5 cubic feet, comes equipped with a color-coordinated spare tire cover and trunk carpeting, and is acoustically insulated to help keep road noises from reaching the passenger compartment. All Sevilles make available the electric rear window defogger. Speaking of equipment and features, it is the interior where Seville and Seville Elegante continue to maintain their high standards, as exemplified by the controlled cycle wiper system, 6-way power driver seat adjuster, power windows, and power door locks, all standard. One of the available options for Seville is the memory seat, which memorizes precisely 2 different seat positions and then recalls either one of them for you at the touch of a button. Elegante has a 5-occupant capacity with 2-occupant 40/40 front seats, trimmed in Sierra grain leather, and a center console. Standard on Seville is a new 3-occupant 50/45 split front seat that is trimmed in heather knit cloth. Elegante comes equipped with a deluxe steering wheel. This vehicle is also equipped with the available digital instrument cluster, which offers the choice of metric or English displays, and includes a fuel range display with the DFI gasoline engine. This is the available electronically tuned AM/FM stereo radio and symphonic sound system with automatic reverse cassette player, one of 4 available radios. The standard radio is the electronically tuned AM/FM stereo radio. All radios, except those with integral CB transceivers or the remote control 8-track tape player, have new controls for treble bass and right-left channel balance adjustments, as well as extended range rear speakers that deliver improved frequency response. The standard electronic climate control system provides for accurate temperature settings up or down in 1-degree steps, with a new outside temperature display feature that enables the operator to call up the current outside temperature. The list of Seville features and benefits goes on, with such details as the side window defogger vents, luxurious thick carpeting, and convenient lighting, not only in the passenger compartment, but also under the hood and in the trunk, all of which bespeak the standards, quality, and values of this luxurious automobile. 1982 Seville and Seville Elegante, designed to make distinctive and individualistic Cadillac statements.